Neutral and ground wires living together in harmony inside your home's electrical panel might seem confusing, but it's actually a common setup in older houses and totally okay if done right. So, here's the deal. In older homes, especially ones built around the 1960s or earlier, you'll often find two-wire systems with no separate ground wire. This means your neutral and ground wires share the same bus bar in the main panel, which electricians call a bonded neutral ground system. If you're dealing with a panel where everything is lumped together, like your kitchen, garage, and dining room all on one breaker, it's super important to take your time tracing circuits before adding anything new. Make sure you switch off all other appliances when using heavy stuff like a microwave to avoid overloads. When planning upgrades, consider running new wires with proper grounding and adding dedicated breakers for different rooms to keep things safe and organized. Always check local electrical codes or consult a pro to make sure your setup is up to snuff and safe for your family. Labeling circuits as you go will save you headaches later on. And remember, patience is key when dealing with old wiring. It's like untangling a messy knot, slowly but carefully. One of the biggest mistakes people make with neutral and ground wiring is assuming they can be separated anywhere in the system. That bond only belongs in the main panel. Messing with it elsewhere can cause serious electrical hazards. Another issue is overloading circuits by putting too many outlets or major appliances on a single breaker, which can lead to frequent trips or worse, fire risk. Fix this by spreading loads with additional breakers. Lastly, not labeling circuits or failing to update old wiring can create confusion and safety risks during repairs or upgrades. Take the time to identify and mark all circuits clearly, and replace outdated knob and tube or two-wire setups with modern wiring when possible. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home improvements, making sure you get quality work without the hassle. It also connects contractors with people looking for their services, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects.